One of the constants in my own criminal practice has been something that my first law firm repeated again and again. Remember, they would say, your client is always Exhibit 1. And over the years, this admonition has come true in far more ways and contexts than I could have initially appreciated. In fact, my experience has been that a great deal of what distinguishes the most successful defense attorneys is their commitment to learn a lot about their clients and their clients' backgrounds, and how they then use that knowledge to effectively convey their clients' circumstances and perspectives, and in some cases to engage clients in a process of self-examination and self-improvement that can help them, personally as well as legally. And I think there's actually an additional powerful but subtle reason that attorneys who have the time and inclination to get to know their clients usually achieve the very best outcomes. These attorneys, by the interest and care that they demonstrate toward their clients, set the tone for others to take an interest in the clients. Whether it's a prosecutor, judge, or jury, I think it's almost impossible for us as defense attorneys to get others to care more about our clients than we have seemed to care. But now with Winning Intake, all defense attorneys have the chance to collect many multiples of what even the most dedicated attorneys used to be able to learn about their clients, and to use that information in diverse creative ways to secure more just outcomes for their clients, including more dismissals and acquittals, as well as more favorable and more just plea agreements and sentences. I think we defense attorneys have always faced a serious hidden dilemma. We've been called on to know enough about our clients that we can speak up for virtually any aspect of their lives, strengths, mistakes, challenges, as well as their past, current, and future responses to those challenges. But we've had no way really to know our clients well. Almost always there's been a crucial backstory, 90% of which has been until now beyond our reach. This intake has separate versions for clients with any of 5 types of cases, ranging from new cases to ones about sentencing relief to expungement petitions. In all cases though, Winning Intake not only collects a uniquely comprehensive range of information, but it does 2 additional things. First, it passes clients' information through over 30 screens to identify important issues in the client's life and case. Second, it includes a flags page that instantly gives both the attorney and client a summary of special and otherwise easily overlooked issues reflected in the client's responses. Winning Intake has been built to be as easy to use and as economical as possible. Clients can log on and off as much as they wish. The language in both English and Spanish has been made as simple, direct, and accessible as possible. Each paragraph comes with a read speaker option, allowing clients to request that any parts they find confusing be read aloud to them. A helpline is available on each page for questions to be quickly answered. And the one-time fee also covers any submission of new information and generation of updated reports. Winning Intake has been built with careful security to give innovative protection to the confidentiality of clients' information and the reports generated. A separate memo is available on the encoding and other security measures used. Clients also have the opportunity to skip any questions. These may be ones they prefer not to answer, or ones that you instruct them not to answer on an online resource. Defense counsel will also find in the intake reports a uniquely valuable tool for other important purposes, such as involving mental health professionals and other expert assistance. Counsel can ask mental health professionals for opinions on a client's intake report and whether a case calls for that professional's expert assistance in the case itself, or counseling or other assistance directly to the client. We very much welcome attorneys' feedback as we try to serve them as expertly as we can. Attorneys and their staffs can contact us directly or via the feedback button on any of the pages. We hope to partner with all attorneys who want this unprecedented assistance in learning about, engaging, and relating their clients' real stories.